Welcome! In this video tutorial, we'll be having a look at how to create a QR code in Excel in a free and simple way. First, you'll need to install a handy add-in, which will enable you to do so. And this is easier than you might think. Click up here on the Insert tab, find the group Add-ins, and click on the option Get Add-ins. You'll see a library of features where you can use the option Search to look for the QR for Office add-in. Now just confirm your choice by clicking on Add, and you're all set. On the right-hand side of the screen, QR for Office will open a pane which you can use to create your own QR codes. And now let's move on to create a QR code together. Up here you can choose whether you want to create a QR code from a URL address, email, or telephone, or you can select any other item on the list. We're gonna use the URL address, so we'll go for the option https:// and we'll type in. Now you can pick a color for the generated QR code here or the background color here. But for now, we'll keep the colors as they are. This slider here helps you set the right size of the QR code you need. The current size is displayed in pixels above the QR code. Well, the last thing to set is error correction. The right error correction level can improve scannability in case the code gets dirty or damaged or part of it is covered with another image. You can select from 4 options, but for now, we'll keep it to medium and move on. Once everything's been set, just click on the button Insert down here, and that's it. Here's your QR code all ready to be moved where you need it. If you right-click on it and select the option Save as Picture, the QR code will be saved into your computer, and you can use it in any other application.